Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Wet n Wild One-Step Wonder Gel swatches. These are the One-Step Wonder Gels and I found these at my Dollar Tree. These require no light for curing, so let's just hop right on in. This first one is a super light baby blue called Air Apparent. And this one is Pretty Peas, very nice light green. And then we got Wasabi With You. And then next we got Until Next Time. Now these all had great formulas. They would even out, or level out on their own. And then we've got Pinky Swear. And I have to say, I love the brushes. By Felucia. This is the only sparkly one that was in there. And then Under My Plum. This one was just so pretty. Don't Be Jelly, a very, very light pink. And then Lavender Out Loud. Love, love the brush on these. And then Power Outage. It's just a black cream. And I'm going to do 2 coats on all of these. We're going to go back to Air Apparent. And I know it doesn't look much different than the swatch that it's going on, but it's definitely a gorgeous baby blue. And then our second coat of Pretty Peas. I'm just always so excited when I find things like this at my local Dollar Tree. And Wasabi With You. Wasabi With You. I love that one. Until Next Time. I have to get some more polish on that brush. It's been a little stingy. But I really, really liked these. I thought they were just awesome. Can't wait to wear them on my nails and see how I like them that way. And then we've got Pinky Swear. This is one of my favorites. It's kind of like a peachy pink. Very, very light, pretty color. I love this one. And then By Felucia. This is one of the kind of colors that I'm drawn to right here. This is it. And then Under My Plum. I don't know why, but this one was speaking to me also. And then next, Don't Be Jelly. Don't Be Jelly. What a cute name. So you might want to check out your Dollar Tree and see if they have these. I needed some polish shopping. And then we've got our second coat of Lavender Out Loud. And then finally Power Outage, which is opaque in 2 coats, which is really nice. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.